How to convert audio to MIDI in Switch. Add your audio files to Switch, choose .mid as the output format, and ensure you're connected to the internet. Then click Convert to turn your audio into MIDI files. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to convert audio files to MIDI in Switch. Start by adding your audio files to Switch. You can drag and drop them into the program or click the Add Files button to select them manually. Next, set your output location by entering a folder path in the Save to Folder field or clicking Browse to choose a destination. In the Output Format dropdown, select .mid to convert your audio into MIDI format. Make sure you are connected to the internet, as this conversion requires an online connection. If you're converting multiple files, Switch will automatically process all files if none are selected. To convert only specific files, hold the Control key and click each file you want. Once everything is set, click Convert. After the process finishes, click Open Output folder to access your converted MIDI files. For more Switch tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.